one of the famous recipe and the old recipe in Tuscany, it's our crostino. It's made with chicken liver. It's special in all Tuscany, but we have a different recipe. Our recipe, it's my grandmother recipe. I love that. We start with together all ingredients that you have on the desk. Go in the pot together. Oil, our extra virgin oil, cold oil, chicken liver. We buy chicken liver and herb chicken. I cut celery in big pieces, carrots, the same, and red onion. Garlic and celery. Oh, sorry, and sage. Voila. I take a wood spoon, turn, and light the fire. Very high. And then we stuffed the meat, the chicken liver, and later put inside some wine or some vin santo. In my recipe stay the vin santo wine, our sweet wine. Perfect, we wait. Oh, now the chicken liver is stuffed, and I put inside 1 glass of vin santo wine, or you can put inside also white wine. Voila. And then we light the fire. The vin santo wine is the wine for put inside the biscuits, our cantuccini. Maurizio, you put inside white wine in chicken liver recipe?
Usually I put the vin santo.
Okay.
Usually.
In other part of Tuscany, put together the chicken liver, also the cow meat. Yes.
Yes.
Macinata com'è?
Ground
cow milk. But in that part of Tuscany, it's only made with chicken liver. Oh, the chicken liver is cooked when the carrots it's soft. Voila. I'm ready for cut, but before I put inside anchovies. Anchovies and capers, Volterra capers. Volterra is famous for capers that born in her walls. Black pepper. Serena, give me. Oh, thank you so much. You read in my mind. And salt. Voila. Now I mix. Okay, I start.
Posso?
No. Now you can. Big Maurice, you want to taste my chicken liver sauce?
Okay, we taste. Yeah. Okay.
You love my chicken liver sauce? Okay.
So nice.
Thank you so much. Take the pot. Put your chicken liver, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and sage. And now oil and light the fire. You can buy our biological pasta, our new oil and some wine in our shop, shop.diacceroni.com. Bye bye, thank you so much.